So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and many of you are asking about the AI agents voice challenge swags. Like we have completed the challenge, we haven't received the swags email. We have received the swags email. When we'll get the hoodies, all the queries are here. We haven't received the certificates. Like this, many people are having multiple queries. So in this video, we'll deal about this query only. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and to hype the video. So if you don't know about the AI agent voice challenge, it was a 10 days voice challenge where we have to build agents and just submit it, and yes, we'll be able to get the goodies. And the goodies was for everyone. Okay, now here if I just show you that around 3 days ago I have posted the video how you can claim your hoodies and certificates. So many of you can see that the people were able to claim the swags and certificates, and they're thankful too. So now their query is that we haven't received the certifications and we haven't received the prize email also. So first thing you need to understand that the prize email was already out, and I already shared all the things on this video, like how you can find the email, also how you can contact them in case you haven't got the email. Now here the major query is that when you will get the certificates and hoodies and credits. So first about hoodies, the hoodies are being in preparation state, so it may take up to 2 to 5 weeks. Assume it to be 2 to 3 months for the swag delivery. If you have carefully ordered all the details carefully, okay, like you have mentioned all your house number, details, address, mobile number correctly, it will take some time. So you need to wait for it. And whenever the swags is out, you can just send me the message on my social media handle, including the Telegram or Instagram. I'll make a video. Even I have, if I receive the goodie, I will update you. Do not worry about it. Now regarding the certificates, though, as the certificates was for every participant, so the certificates will be out once the event concludes. Once the event concludes means the filtering is done for the genuine users. So you can expect the certificates to go out anytime by up to 1 to 2 weeks, and don't need to worry, it's a physical, not it's a digital certificate. You'll be getting the certificate on your emails directly. So stay tuned for it. And if you are interested, if you missed this AI agent voice challenge, you can see multiple challenges are already live on the channel. You can explore and complete the challenge without any issue. And if you have any query, you can comment down below, or you can just join our social media handle. You can just see I have shared all the things. So do join it, do subscribe the channel, do hype the video, and thank you. Have a great day ahead.